Roman Catholics transform themselves into skinny zombies during the Lent season. But how to make gnarly muscle gains during Lent, a season often associated with fasting or dietary restrictions? It's simple, and let me reveal the blueprint. First, let's address the dieting strategies. Consume at least 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram body weight per day. If abstaining from meat, include plant-based protein sources like soya chunks, tempeh, tofu, seitan, natto, and miso. For vegetarians, focus on eggs and dairy products like Greek yogurt, paneer, and cheese. Ensure that you are in a slight caloric surplus to promote muscle growth. Spread the protein intake evenly throughout the day by consuming 3 to 5 meals. Supplements like fish oils, creatine monohydrate, protein powders, and caffeine does help. Aim to train at least 4 to 6 times a week with a basic push-pull leg split. Get in your daily goddamn steps and at least perform 15 minutes of cardio either on the ellipticals or incline steppers. Track your daily goddamn workouts with the help of a pen and book. Track your daily calories with online apps such as Healthify Me or MyFitnessPal. Sleep well, stress less, and stay hydrated. If money could buy you a good physique, then the Ambani would be the Mr. Olympia. Gym will always remain a precious antique avoided by the fat bitches with myopia. Hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते